हूँ अल्लाह ताला के बाबरकत नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है। ए ईमान वालो, अल्लाह की खातिर सच्चाई पर कायम रहने वाले और इंसाफ की गवाही देने वाले बनो। किसी गिरोह की दुश्मनी तुमको इतना मुश्ताइल न कर दे कि इंसाफ से फिर जाओ। आदल करो, ये खुदा तरसी से ज़्यादा मुनासिबत रखता है। अल्लाह से डर कर काम करते रहो। जो कुछ तुम करते हो अल्लाह उससे पूरी तरह बाखबर है। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
May I now request General Sahir Shamshad Mirza to come forward, please. Ladies and gentlemen, General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, Hilal-e-Imtiyaz Military, was commissioned in 1987 in Infantry Battalion. He graduated from Commandant Staff College, Quetta, National Defence University, Islamabad. He also attended MSc Global Security course from Cranfield University, United Kingdom. During his illustrious military career, he served on various command and staff instructional assignments. His major staff appointments include Brigade Major of 2 Infantry Brigades, General Staff Officer at Pakistan Contingent United Missions, Sierra Leone, Director of Military Operations, and Director General Military Operations, Vice Chief of General Staff, Adjutant General, and Chief of General Staff at the General Headquarters. In his instructional appointments, he has been on the faculty of School of Infantry Tactics, Quetta, Pakistan Military Academy, Kakul, and Command and Staff College, Quetta. He has commanded an infantry battalion, each in North Waziristan and Shakma War Zone, an infantry brigade along country boundary. He also commanded an infantry division in Operational Mizan and commanded 10 Corps. He was promoted to the rank of General and appointed as Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, Joint Staff Headquarters on 27th November 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer the award of Nishan-e-Imtiyaz Military upon General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee. Now I request General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, to come forward and receive the award of Nishan-e-Imtiyaz from the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. May I now request General Syed Asif Munir Ahmad Shah to come forward, please. Ladies and gentlemen, General Syed Asif Munir Ahmad Shah, Hilal-e-Imtiyaz Military, was commissioned in April 1986 in 23 Frontier Force Regiment and is a recipient of the coveted Sword of Honor of 17th Ortiz Course. He is a graduate of Fuji School, Japan, Command and Staff College, Quetta, Militia and Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Kuala Lumpur, and National Defence University, Islamabad. He also holds MPhil degree in Public Policy and Strategic Security Management. During his illustrious military career, he has served on various command and staff and instructional assignments. His major staff appointments include Brigade Major of a deployed infantry brigade, General Staff Officer in Chief of General Staff Secretariat, Director Staff in Command and Staff College, Quetta, and Chief of Staff of a Strike Corps. He has commanded his parent Unit 23 24th Regiment, Infantry Brigade, Force Command Northern Areas, and 30 Corps. He has also led Pakistan training contingent in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The General has the unique honor to head both the premier intelligence agencies of Pakistan as Director General Military Intelligence and Director General Inter-Services Intelligence. Before his promotion and appointment as Chief of Army Staff, the General was Quartermaster General of Pakistan Army. He was promoted to the rank of General and appointed as Chief of Army Staff, General Headquarters on 29th November 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military upon General Sayyid Asim Munir Ahmad Shah, Chief of the Army Staff. Now I request General Sayyid Asim Munir Ahmad Shah, Chief of the Army Staff, to come forward and receive the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz from the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Honorable President, may I have your permission to close the formal proceedings of this special inaugural ceremony?
जी जरूर.
All the guests are invited for the light refreshments. Thank you very much.
ईवान सदर में एजाजात देने की
आपको बताएं कि सदर मुमलिकत ने चेयरमैन जॉइंट चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी को निशान इम्तियाज मिलिट्री से नवाज दिया। सदर मुमलिकत ने चेयरमैन जॉइंट चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी को निशान इम्तियाज से नवाजा है। चेयरमैन सेनेट, स्पीकर कौमी असम्बली और विफाकी वज़रा भी इस तकरीब में शरीक हैं। आपको बताएं कि वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ भी इस तकरीब में शरीक हैं। सदर मुमलिकत ने चेयरमैन जॉइंट चीफ्स ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी को निशान इम्तियाज मिलिट्री से नवाज दिया। सदर मुमलिकत ने चेयरमैन जॉइंट चीफ्स ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी को निशान इम्तियाज से नवाज दिया। चेयरमैन सेनेट, स्पीकर कौमी असम्बली और विफाकी वज़रा भी इस तकरीब में शरीक हैं।
न्यूज़ स्टूडियो से फिलहाल इतना ही। मज़ीद अपडेट से बाखबर रहने के लिए देखते रहें कोहिनूर न्यूज़।